You shush.
Lita and Molly are going to advance gambles.
You didn't want me to leave.
Harry, Georgia. No problem. Hey, you guys. Come on, Molly. Come on, Molly. Go back over. That's it. Another point. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, come on, keep coming around, keep coming, come on. Do your front cross. Good girl, good girl. Come back, Molly, come on back. Go into that tunnel. Go, 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 go. Come on, Molly, one more. Come on, go over. Yay, Molly! Woo! Awesome. She is now a master gambler. Whoa, that was great.
Lita's just getting an old pro out of it.
Huh?
She's just getting an old pro.
Oh, yeah. She knows this stuff, right? Hold still, Jenny. God, I bounce around.